Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Centreville, Virginia, and the homeowner has two different problems. One is from the roof and the other is the gutter. Now, if you look carefully, you can see there's missing shingles up here near the ridge. So what happens is when it rains heavy, the water's getting underneath that area and the water's traveling underneath the shingles, then the water's dropping down inside the exterior wall, and the water is settling right on top of this window. Now they also have a leak here too, and they had missing shingles directly above. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, it's right over there. It's like two shingles that are missing. Now another thing that could be attributing to the leak, but not this window, but this one, if you look at the gutter carefully, you can see it's taken a big dip right here. So when it rains really heavy, not only does the water overflow over the front, but also the water's going over the back. And when the water goes over the back, the water's settling inside the exterior wall between the bricks and the drywall. Now, if that gutter is not repitched or replaced, they can end up developing mold inside the wall and structural damage, and eventually the water can settle all the way down to the basement. So I would really highly recommend to change this gutter because it's spiked into the rafters. So again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Centreville and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.